Hello friends. So today we will do an exercise. Should. The different meanings of should. Basic meaning is giving advice. Then extended meanings are inferred possibility and reproach or reprimand. Reprimand, that means using angry words. Reprimanding somebody means using angry words. Okay. Speaking in that tone. Yes. So we have got as usual a set of 15 sentences. You have to say, in each sentence you have to say what is the meaning of the pure modal should. Is it a possibility, is it inferred possibility, is it advice, or is it reprimand? Simple, very simple exercise for you. Okay, let's begin. Sentence 1, you should attend all the classes. Advice. Advice, no doubt about it, advice. Then her performance was superb. She should get the first prize. So that is inferred possibility. Isn't it? Inferred possibility, that is IP. IP, inferred possibility. Since we don't have time, space here, IP. IP means inferred possibility. He shouldn't have gone there. That is, he shouldn't have gone there. That is, we can say reproach. There is some problem, so he shouldn't have gone there. Isn't it? That is a reproach. 4, you should be regular in your class, in your work. You should be regular. Some people are there, they are regularly irregular. So, you should be regular in your work. So, that means advice. That is advice. And our team played well, they should get the trophy. That is inferred possibility, because the data is there. The data is our team played well. That is IP. IP means inferred possibility. He answered all the questions, he should get the job. Same. He answered all the questions, so he should get the job. We have come up to this, we should be able to see his house. Same. We have come up to this point, so from here we should be able to see his house. So that is IP, that is inferred possibility. You should better come prepared for the journey. You should better come prepared for the journey. Advice. Isn't it? That is advice. And then 9, we have come to our journey sense. We should meet the leader now. That's again IP. We have come to our journey sense. Now we should meet the leader. That is IP. That is inferred possibility. Very often you use this should with this meaning. Well, they should not have run so fast. 1 or 2 broke their leg. So they should not have run so fast. That is, we can say a reproach. Isn't it? Reproach. Reproach or reprimand. I shouldn't have opted literature. I shouldn't have opted literature. That is inferred possibility. Yes, I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have because literature is very difficult for me. So that is, you can say inferred possibility. IP. I shouldn't have. Then the dog is quiet today. He shouldn't bite you. So sleeping. He is sick. So he shouldn't bite you. That is IP. So you can get him coming. And then you have, it is a risky business. He shouldn't have taken it up. He shouldn't have taken it. In fact, reproach. He shouldn't have taken it up. Isn't it? He shouldn't have. Yes. Then we have got, it is risky. All of you should learn listening skill. Often what happens, we learn only speaking skill. Always when you start speaking, you continue go on speaking without listening or giving any slot to others, any space to others. So it's very important. Just a speaking skill is important. More than that, listening skill is important. So that is advice, isn't it? Advice. And then it's too late, so you should better stay here. Advice. It's too late, and so you should better stay here, isn't it? Yeah. So there you are. It is. You have got 15 sentences as said. You have all the three uses here. That is giving advice, infinite possibility, and reproach or reprimand. Understand? So we have got, now I think that now it's very clear. Yesterday I explained these main points, and today you have the exercise. Together we have done very well, and I think that there shouldn't be any difficulty for you. So I have explained everything, so there shouldn't be any difficulty for you. That is, you can say infinite possibility. There shouldn't be any difficulty, means that is infinite possibility, because I have already explained these things to you. Hope that you are following, you are enjoying, and these classes are useful to you. So for the time being, that's a bye. Have a nice time, take care and enjoy.